Hey, it's your girl Gigi, aka it's Scrub the Ground. It's Scrub the Ground. It's Scrub the Ground. It's Scrub. Okay. Good day, y'all. Good day. I'm excited. About to start working again. I'm about to start working again. I cannot wait to get out of the house. Okay. Um, Today I came with my favorite finger food snacks. I It is around lunchtime for you, girl. Even though today I slept a little late. But I did wake up really, really early. Um, After this video, I'm gonna hop online, do my I-9 paperwork so I can head on and make my cha-ching, okay? Uh-oh, what's up? My bad, y'all. Thought I had a setup malfunction. Anyways, I bought my favorite finger food snacks. Now, these snacks that I like, I'm a snacker, okay? I I'm not your typical mukbanger. I don't come up with like mounds of food and just sit there and just eat it on it and actually finish it. I'm not that type of person. And that the reason being is because I like to snack all day. I am okay, so if you ever spend time with me at home, you will literally see me chewing every 5 seconds on something. It could be the same thing all day. It could be something different. It could be I snack. I love nibbling on stuff. I'm like a little hamster, just constantly chewing. Okay? And I always gotta have something to drink today. I'm drinking some lemon water, some with ice in it. That's it. Um, okay, so my favorites. I've become like a tahine junkie lately. Okay? I got some cucumbers. I love cucumbers. I can eat cucumbers, slice them up, and just dip them in some ranch. I put my cucumbers in vinegar, let them soak for maybe a good hour or two, or maybe overnight. Come back, just eat them like that right after vinegar. And then you got your tahini. I love cucumbers. Just cut them up, sprinkle on that tahini. Then I got pineapples, baby. Oh my God, I love pineapples. Pineapples with some tahini on it. Oh my God, the first time I tried it, it changed my life. Just, the way the flavor just burst, tasted already. Anyways, and then I like sandwiches. I like sandwiches, not sandwich. I like sandwiches. I got right here. And see, I like the end of the bread. I actually eat the end of the bread. People be acting like they too good. Uh-oh. See, hold on, y'all. Because I was just about to let y'all have it. Y'all, this thing fall over, I'm going to be so mad. Okay, anyway. Because for one, I want to eat this. Okay, so I like the ends of the bread. I be getting mad when I be seeing my kids actually eat all the bread, but they throw the ends away. Because I'm like, what are you, first of all, you broke. You don't throw no food away. Bread is bread. It's a piece of bread. Still, use it. Don't throw that away. I eat that piece. You throwing stuff away that I eat. You ain't got no money to buy no bread. People just be throwing stuff away around here. Ain't got no money. Who kids are these? Anyway, but yes. I got on this one, I got some honey ham, some mustard, mayonnaise on both sides of the bread. I love mayonnaise. I love Miracle Whip. I'm using Miracle Whip. I love Miracle Whip. I sprinkle pepper and salt on my sandwich also. And also I use some tahini on that too. Mustard, did I say mustard? Usually I would put some pickles in there, but I didn't feel like eating a salty sandwich because I did have to set up, even though it didn't take me long to make this, that's what I love about snack food. It don't take you long to make. So here we are with my favorite foods. So what's some of y'all's? Okay, I'm about to dig in. Look, you got your tahini. Like I said, I got some water with some lemon in it. I have fell in love with tahini lately. Pretty much any time of the day is lunchtime for me. So around about dinner time, I don't even be wanting to eat. I pretty much just go in there and cook. I'm going about my business, find something to snack on for the rest of the night. Cause that's all I do. I got this bag. It's like a little book bag, cute, with little ice creams on it, snacks. Ooh, lemony. Like my sandwich. Oh, we got cheese on it too. I forgot. I forgot to add. I'm gonna tell you that cheese. Gotta have cheese on a sandwich. Gotta have cheese on a sandwich. But by the time I'm finished cooking, I don't went and sat down while everybody eating. Cause I know y'all be wondering how we be getting them dinner videos then. That's when I gotta use my willpower and fight off that I want to snack on stuff feeling. Like last night, last night I made dinner. I made dinner and it was a pretty good dinner, full course meal. It will definitely get you full. But see, I had just went to the store right before I started cooking. I had prepped everything, got everything put into the pan that I was gonna bake everything in. I just didn't put it in the oven yet. I went to the store. Of course, I picked up some snacks, candy, stuff to nibble on in the middle of the night, middle of the day, early in the morning. Look, after the shower, it don't matter. As long as I got something to munch on. I'm sorry. That just sent chills all down my spine. Anyways, I had all types of junk. Cheez-Its, candy, whatever it was. But I had it, you name it. And I was just sitting there just snacking on it. I had to tell myself, stop. Because when it's time, because you know you got to do a video. And once it's time for you to do your video, you're not going to want to eat. I mean, and to be honest, you're still doing a mukbang, right? No, you know, you start dancing, you eating, you're in heaven. But I take this over fried food, crab legs, all that. Like I said, I love snack food. I love how it's so fast. You can just grab it. Don't take long to make a sandwich. Don't take long to cut up no cucumbers. Speaking of, today I'm drinking nothing but water. Nothing but water. Anyways, how y'all doing today? What's going on in your love lives? No, I don't want to hear about that. I don't want to hear about that. I'm just kidding. Mm, this pineapple is juicy. I see where we're going with this. And see, I do get full off of finger foods, little snacks, but it's like I get over it within, I give it a good, all I gotta do is start moving around, give it a good 7 to 10 minutes, and I'm ready for another snack with something to drink on the side. Yesterday, I got attacked by my kids because I'm walking around my box of cheeses. I had the Texas, not the Texas Pete, but the it was a hot and spicy flavor, and they used like Tabasco or something on it. And so, uh, I gave him some, being nice, and then of course he gonna come back, Mom, can I get some Gatorade? And then here come Essence. At the same time, this all happened all at once. And it was overwhelming. Ma, can I have some candy? And then, look, they done cornered me. Then here comes Jaquel. Hey, Ma, can I get some cheeses? And then they just started all that. You know how they do in the movies? It's like it just like it was real. Oh my God. I was like, oh my God. They ma, can I have your kid? Ma. I'm like, oh my God. I was about to lose it. They cornered me right over there. I couldn't go nowhere. All up, ma, can I have, mommy? I'm like, oh my God. This isn't technically my breakfast. This is my lunch because I actually ate at like 6 o'clock this morning. I had fixed me the last of what was left over from last night. I had already put it up for me. All I did was just heat it up. I ate that at 6 o'clock this morning. Went back to sleep. I ate that, drank my tea, took my butt back to bed. I am loving that pineapple. But I hope everybody having a good day today. What's some of y'all favorite childhood, you know, thing? Like the sandwich for me is always gonna be a childhood thing. Or but as an adult, what do you like to snack on? What do you like to snack on? Get your munch on whenever you just like, I don't feel like eating nothing big, or you snack on something because you waiting to eat later. People snack for different reasons. I snack because I'm a snack junkie. I like snacks. But see, it's just a little simple sandwich. Nothing too big. A simple sandwich. We don't eat sandwiches over here. We eat sandwiches. But I'm about to go finish my food. Don't want to make my video too long. Oh, this is gonna get a lunchtime ain't over for me. Go do my I-9 paperwork. About to get out. If you are new here, like, share, subscribe, leave me a comment, let me know how you doing. Let me know what's up with you. Hit the little bell notification so that whenever I post another video, you will be notified. You know what, my AirPod falls out every single. We ain't gonna worry about that. Anyway, and then if you've been here before, thank you for returning. Hope you enjoyed the video, you guys. Give it a thumbs up, leave me a comment. share. Hope everybody's having a great lunch. Oh, it's getting kind of cloudy outside. Sun out a little bit. Anyway, but y'all stay safe out there. Stay blessed. Love you guys.